Hello guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. Today we will be launching a very simple Node.js Express application and we will see how easy it is. So the two things we will need will be a browser and we'll use an IDE to write our code. The IDE of my choice is Visual Studio Code, but you can use anything you like and wish. I assume that you have already Node.js installed on your system. If you don't, then actually I did a little blog post lately how you can install it from a package manager. Okay, so let's hop into the console and to the VS Code and start working on that. First thing we will do is that we will create a very blank file called, let's call it app.js. And let's install Express application. So today we are installing the Express application. You can read about it below because actually this hands-on lab is a part of a blog post on a briefly.dev channel. So let's do an npm init -y to not wait for any informations and don't answer all the questions. And then let's install Express. Okay, the app will be very simple. So first thing, we will import the Express from Express. Then we will instantiate the app using the Express library. And then we will do a app with a get method, so we will be listening on our HTTP for a get method. It's a default method for any browser, and we will do it on a /, so on the main road of that. Then we are in a callback getting a request and response object. So req will be a short form for request object, so anything regarding requests, and res will be our response. So here we will not do anything with request today, but we will just send a simple hello from Express.js App in return to that. And the only thing we need to do lastly is to listen on some port. Let's say it will be port 8000, and here there also can be a callback. So in this callback, let's say we will have a console log so that we know that the server is listening. So server is listening. Usually you can also do something like that to take this port out to some kind of a variable, then use it here, or even pass it in environment variables and so on. But that's not the scope of today's lesson, but we will for sure deal with that in the future. So server is listening, and let's do a port here. All right, and that should be it. Let's save that and let's try to launch it. So we're doing node app.js. Okay, service is listening on port 8000. Let's quickly jump to our local host on port 8000 on a / route. So the main route, you can do it with / or you don't have to do it. And let's just hit enter. And hey, we have our hello from Express.js app. And that's it. As you can see, it's not a lot of code and you can create your first Express.js app very quickly. See you next time.